This is just a short window video, one of several, probably one of a couple. This is the downstairs window closest to the front door, and the mounting plate is bent. The pan flashing looks like it's probably going to be inadequate vinyl. These are earthwise windows. I'm going to look up the installation instructions because we have 3 fasteners on this side and only 2 fasteners on this side. So this window does not look like it was installed securely. But it's getting interesting. It's getting interesting. Good home, this is Bud. These are side lights. You can see the daylight between the wall right there. These are side lights, windows. And these are weep holes. Alright, so these windows, this is the exterior side of these side lights. They don't fit inside like this. Is this a storage issue or what's going on here? Because I see side lights on both sides of this window, both sides of these windows. But I don't see side lights out here. I hope that's a storage issue. I hope this isn't completely installed. We're also missing flashing tape on all of the windows where we can see it. These windows upstairs are installed inside out. Look at that. You got to come out here and get a ladder if you want to open or close that window. We do not have flashing tape installed around the windows. Of course, we're missing one.